Savior, for he gave his only begotten Son.
Let's learn Burn Me Alive. It's choreographed by Jace Hinton. It is a 32 count 4-wall improve level line dance with a restart on wall 2 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 3. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about and practice our tag and restart, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice where everything happens and hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Burn Me Alive. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a wizard to the right and the left. So we're going to step our right foot forward but slightly into the right diagonal. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right and then quickly step your right foot forward but slightly into the diagonal. You're now going to repeat that with the left, so we're going to step our left foot forward but slightly into the diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left. Quickly step your left foot forward into that diagonal. We're going to step forward with our right foot and we're going to make a quarter pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock and we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross, side, cross. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your 2 wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to scuff our left heel slightly into the back diagonal. So towards 7:30, you're going to scuff your left heel, and then you're going to press the ball of your left foot down. So you want to kind of rock forward on it, bent knee with the left knee. You're going to bend it and slightly lean over it. All your weight is going to be on the ball of your left foot. We're going to recover back onto our right, and we're going to do a behind side cross, left behind, right side, left cross. We're now going to do toe switches. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, quickly step our right next to our left and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right, and you're going to do a big step to the right, dragging that left toe in to your right foot, and we're going to do a ball cross, quickly stepping that left foot next to our right and crossing our right over left. You'll be facing 9 o'clock to end that section. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our scuff. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And that crossover is 1, which will start your next section. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do a shuffle forward with our right, stepping our right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're going to step forward with your left, and you're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. And we're going to continue that turn over our right shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, doing a side shuffle, stepping our left foot to the left side. You're now at 3, right next to left, left foot to the side. So let's try that with some counts. We crossed over for 1, you're making that quarter turn, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're now facing 3 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. Section 4, in our final section, we're going to do sailors with our right and our left. So we're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot out to the side, right foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. We're now going to do heel switches. So you're going to take your right heel, tap it forward, step your right foot next to your left, and put your left heel forward. We're now going to step our left foot next to our right, and we're going to do a big step forward with our right foot, and we're going to drag that left toe into our right, and then we're going to quickly step our left foot next to our right, and you would start the dance all over again with your wizard forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just stepped our left foot to the left side to end our side turning shuffle. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're doing your 2 sailors. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. We'll start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it through 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your 2 wizards forward. So we're doing right, wizard, left, wizard. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, scuff, press, recover, behind, side, cross, point, step, side drag, ball, cross, quarter, shuffle, forward, step, half pivot, quarter, side, shuffle, right sailor, step, left sailor, step, 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 drag, and then ball, 1 to start the dance all over again. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're doing your 2 wizards forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 to start all over again. So now let's talk about the restart and the tag. Wall 2 is our restart wall. We're going to dance 16 counts, which will be up to your drag, ball, step, and then we're going to change up the steps slightly. So let's face 3 o'clock. This will be wall 2. You're doing your 2 wizards. We're going to dance up to the part where you restart, and then we're going to talk about the step change. So you're starting with your weight on your left. You're doing your 2 wizards with your right and your left. Right, wizard, left, wizard. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Scuff, press, recover, behind, side, cross, point, step, side drag, and then ball step with that left. Now from here, because we would be crossing over and your next step would be a quarter turn, instead of crossing your right over your left, for 1, you are going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, and you're going to start that wizard forward with your right facing 9 o'clock. You'll start the dance all over again. Now, for some choices about how to make that feel a little bit more comfortable, When you do that drag ball step, you want your body to already be slightly angled towards the 1030 diagonal, so that when you start that wizard, you're already heading over that left shoulder to make your quarter turn, and then you will start your wizards all over again, and that will become wall 3. So let's try that restart, and then we'll talk about the tag. Weights on your left foot. We just did our drag ball step. You're doing your 2 wizards. Wizard and wizard, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, scuff, press, recover, behind side cross, point step, drag, ball, quarter turn, wizard and step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, and then you will keep dancing, facing 9 o'clock to start wall 3. On wall 3, you are going to dance the full 32 counts, which will put you back at 12 o'clock. When we finish that 32, you would be ending that section by doing a drag ball step. Now we're going to add on a 4 count tag. So we're going to step forward with our right, touch your left foot next to your right. You're going to step back with your left, and we're going to do a coaster step. The end of your coaster step will start your wizard all over again. So you're going to step your right foot back, left together, and your step forward with your right will start the dance all over again, doing your wizard and wizard. So let's try it with some counts. We dragged to end wall 3. So we did our drag ball. You're doing your step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you would keep on dancing. After those 2 walls, you dance the rest of the dance all the way through without having to worry about anything extra. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to do the front and back walls with steps and our side walls with counts. We're going to dance all the way through the restart and tag and the one that follows it so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight's going to start on that left foot. You're doing your 2 wizards. Right wizard, left wizard, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, scuff, press, recover, behind side cross, point step, side drag, ball cross, quarter, shuffle forward, step, half, pivot, quarter, side shuffle, sailor, step, heel step, step, drag, ball. Now we're doing the 16 counts with our direction change. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and quarter turn wizard, and step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and do your tag, step, touch, back, coaster, start over, wizard, and step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, scuff, press, recover, behind side cross, point step, side drag, ball cross, quarter right, shuffle forward, step, half, pivot, quarter, side shuffle, sailor, and sailor, heel step, drag, ball, and then you will dance the rest of the dance all the way through without having to worry about anything else. I hope this helps you learn Burn Me Alive. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.